Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Welcome. This week we're focusing on perimeter. When we talk about perimeter, we're measuring things and we're looking at the distance around a shape or, hi camera, the distance around a shape or an object. And we're going to add all of the sides together to find the perimeter. So we're going to practice with the book that I just finished reading with you guys. And I'm going to grab it really quick. The Magic of the Unicorn. Boom. So this is the book that we just finished reading. I'm going to measure it really quick because remember, perimeter is the outside of a shape or an object. And I have to measure all the sides to figure it out. I am using my ruler. I figured a ruler was a really smart measurement tool for this size of book. So I've got inches. They're bigger on one side. And on the other side, I have centimeters. Because this is bigger, I'm going to use inches so I don't have to count up so many little centimeters. So I'm going to put this here. I'm going to line it up. I know you guys know how to do this. You guys have learned this. So it looks like we're at 7 inches here. And it looks like this side is 4 inches. And we've got 7 here, and there we go, 4 here it looks like. So now I have my shape or object, I should say. It's this book, and now I need to add all of my sides to get the perimeter. So I'm going to add them up. I know my doubles. 7 plus 7 is 14. I'm going to write 14 right here so I don't have to keep track in my head. I know that 4 plus 4 is 8. Now I can just line them up, do some simple adding. This is 12. Oh, regroup. That's now a 10. We know how to do that. 22. Now my answer isn't just 22. We've talked about this. You have to have a label. So we're not talking about 22 elephants, 22 candy bars. So this is 22. And remember, I used inches. And this is the abbreviation for inches. IN. The whole word inch is INCH. 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 But if we want to abbreviate it, it's just IN, and that's a really handy measurement. And I'm pretty sure that if you were to look around on some construction things you might find in the hardware store, things at your house, you might spot this little inches here. Sometimes they even put that abbreviation on our rulers. This one doesn't have it, but sometimes they do. All right, so that's how we measure this shape. Now, what happens if it's on a grid? Let's do it really quick. So this shape here is on a grid. Boop, boop. I just have to count the outside units when I'm figuring out this shape. When we don't have inches, centimeters, feet, yards, whatever we're measuring with, we call these units. So I just have to count the outside. And from this side to this side, right where these squares go on this grid, is 1 unit. So here's 1 unit. And then from here to here is 2. This side here is 3. From here to here is 4. From here to here is 5. From here to here is 6. From here to here is 7. And from here to here is 8. Here to here is 9. And then from here to here is 10. So if I counted my sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, this shape would be 10 units, the perimeter. We just call it units because they haven't told us if it's inches, centimeters, or yards or whatever. So we just call it units. That's what you do when you have a shape like this, when you're trying to find out perimeter. Don't forget to go now to your Google Doc and to practice perimeter with those few problems on there, and then share it with me so that I can see and make sure that you're understanding perimeter. And then tomorrow, look for a new video and a new challenge. All right, guys. See you later.